In 3, 2, 1, lift off. Yes, today we are going to speak about Virgin Galactic SPCE stock and why it can literally go to space. Yes, Virgin Galactic is going to space, and the stock is also eventually going to go to space and the moon as well. And in today's video, we're going to compare it to Tesla. Yes, Tesla stock has a few similarities with Virgin Galactic. Believe it or not, there are some important things that I want to show you in today's video. A lot of people have compared Tesla with Virgin Galactic in the past, and so today I'm going to also do my comparison for all of you, because I believe these two stocks will be absolutely amazing. Tesla already proved itself, but Virgin Galactic still has a lot to accomplish, and I believe the upside potential for Virgin Galactic SPCE is astronomical, out of this world, literally. And in the past, a lot of people compared Virgin Galactic to Tesla, saying that Virgin Galactic is a Tesla of the space industry, and I agree. Also, Business Insider a few years ago mentioned how Virgin Galactic's stock price is outpacing Tesla. So many people have compared Tesla with Virgin Galactic, including Chamath Palihapitiya. Some of you don't like him, but he's a billionaire for a reason, and he knows what he's doing, and he compared Virgin Galactic to Tesla. He's hoping for the same investor and customer love. And all of you watching right now, you love Virgin Galactic. That's why you are here. Maybe, yes, you don't like that the stock price has been going down, but you're here for a reason. And we all love SPCE. We believe it's the future, and we are invested for a reason. So real quick, make sure you subscribe, join us, because not many people are speaking about SPCE stocks. So support the influencers that are speaking about Virgin Galactic. Smash the like button and subscribe, because we are just getting started. This is the very beginning. And also, real quick, if you want to ask me any question about your portfolio, your stock market, your crypto holdings, anything, you can by booking a one-on-one session with me using the links down below. So I will see you all very soon. But anyways, let us compare SPCE to Tesla stock, because right here, as you can tell, you see two different lines, okay? The orange line is the price of Tesla over the years, and then the green and red candles, these right here, down here, as you can tell, this is the stock price of SPCE. So how are they the same and how are they different? Well, number one, a lot of people now are giving up on Virgin Galactic SPCE, but I want to ask you a question. Is it more risky to buy a stock like Tesla after it's already up 1,200%? Because it's up a lot in the past few years. So is it more risky to buy a stock when it's already very high? Or is it less risky to buy a stock when it's very low? I believe the more a stock goes up, the more risky it becomes to buy it. But when a stock keeps going down and crashes and crashes and crashes in price, and it gets beaten down, I personally believe, and many investors will agree, also you probably will agree, that it is less risky to buy a stock when it's all the way down here. Literally, Virgin Galactic for the past few years is down over 75% as I'm recording this video. So you decide, as an investor, do you want to put your money into a stock that's already up over 10x? Or do you want to buy a stock that has been beaten down and still has a lot of potential to do a 10, 20, 30x easily, in my opinion? I personally would rather put my money, my hard-earned money, because I work hard for my money, and so do you. I would rather invest it in a stock that has good potential and that has been beaten down. That's what I would do. And also, a lot of people are scared about Virgin Galactic because they say that Virgin Galactic is losing a lot of money, right? And that's a valid point. It's true. Virgin Galactic is losing a lot of money. But this right here is the all-time profit and loss statement for Tesla, okay? This is literally all of the years since Tesla went public in 2009, 2010 to now 2023, okay? We ended, literally, Tesla only had 3 years in its history where it made a profit. But for about 10 years, from 2009 all the way to 2019, so for 10 years, Tesla was losing money. But look at what happened to the stock of Tesla. We all know where Tesla is today. It's one of the largest companies in the world. So a lot of you are comparing Tesla, or you're saying how Virgin Galactic is losing money. And this right here, the blue line is the profit and loss statement for Tesla. The orange line, the dotted line right here, I don't know if you can tell, that is SPCE. And as you can tell, for the first few years, Tesla was losing money right here. It was just losing money. And then it started becoming profitable and exploded in value. So that's exactly where we are today with SPCE. You see the orange dotted line? We are losing money, yes, but that's normal for a company that's doing what no other company in the world is doing. Like Virgin Galactic is literally going to space, everyone, sending people up to space, bringing them back safely. And they're gonna send the biggest names in the world. They're gonna send celebrities, politicians, businessmen and women to space. So they need to make sure it's secure and it's safe before they start sending a lot of people up to space. But anyways, they are doing what no other company is doing. And that is not an over-exaggeration. Okay, this company is unique, and it's going to be very hard for other companies to mimic and to do what Virgin Galactic is doing. Just like Tesla was the first EV company that really revolutionized the EV space, Virgin Galactic is the first space company, I believe, to revolutionize space tourism. So we have a competitive advantage where if another company is going to try to compete against us, they're already years behind. So we are years ahead of the competition. So that is another similarity between Virgin Galactic and Tesla stock. So again, everyone, yes, Virgin Galactic is losing money right now, but so was Tesla. For over 10 years, actually. 10 years Tesla was losing money. So keep that in mind. And maybe a better comparison is SpaceX versus Virgin Galactic, okay? Because SpaceX is kind of doing, space tourism, space technologies. They're working on space exploration. So maybe a better comparison is between SpaceX and SPCE. So how much is SpaceX worth? Elon Musk's SpaceX literally just a few months ago neared a $150 billion valuation after their secondary share sales. So SpaceX is literally worth $150 billion. And when we take a look at the stock of Virgin Galactic today, we are worth less than 1 billion, 950 million. That's it. That's it. So when I say that Virgin Galactic can do a 20, 30, 40x, 50x even, I mean it. I truly believe eventually Virgin Galactic can head towards $100 and then maybe come back down and then consolidate and then start going up again. But Virgin Galactic can easily do a 20, 30, 40x from today's prices. And just remember that there will be a lot of haters, okay? So this is an article from 2018 of Virgin Galactic Spaceport, okay? And literally it was titled, New Mexico's Sad Bet on Space Exploration. And this person never released a follow-up article, okay? So they're hating, and they were hating on Virgin Galactic in 2018, but now we're starting to prove the haters wrong. And I wanna ask you a question. If you sell Virgin Galactic SPCE just because you see other people hating on SPCE, but then we truly go to space, right? Imagine if SPCE stock goes to $50, $60, $70. Those haters telling you to sell, telling you that Virgin Galactic is a scam, it's gonna go bankrupt, it's gonna go to zero. Are those haters gonna compensate you for the money that you miss out on? No. If you sell and you listen to the haters, they're not going to say, oh, Joe or Bob or Jane or whatever your name is. They're not going to say, oh, let me give you a $10,000 or $100,000 or $1 million because I told you that Virgin Galactic is going to go to zero, but now it's up to space. They're not going to say, oh, let me give you your money back. No, the haters are just going to go away and you will be hurt. You will have sold. So just keep that in mind, that Virgin Galactic and Tesla do have a lot of similarities. They both have a lot of potential. Yes, they have risk, but also very, very high reward.